mighty. He is so mighty. Yeah.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel Solo Cruising with Heather. On my previous video I showed you what my inside cabin looked like on the Norwegian Prima. So in this video I thought I would show you what the solo studio looked like. Although I personally did not have access to the studio, I was hanging around with some of the other solo cruisers who were staying in the studio area, and so they allowed me to come down and have a look and to shoot this video. So enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe.
He's mighty, so mighty, mighty all the time. Yeah. Who could place the stars in the heavens and call each and every one my name? He is so mighty. Who knows every single thought that's in your mind? No other hand, that's right. Yeah, because he's mighty. Who can move a mountain, split the sea into a make a rain or shine, turn the darkness into light? Only God Almighty. He'll take a nation down and raise it up again with one hand and have a party. He can, 'cause yeah, he's so mighty, mighty all the time. He's the one who saves, he's an army, rejoicing over us with gladness. Mighty all the time. He knows everything, he sees it all. To him nothing's impossible. Mighty all the time. He established the whole world, created every boy and girl, and he's got a plan, yeah. Mighty all the time. His glory exceeds to amaze me. Oh, he is so mighty, my body all the time. He's mighty, so mighty, my body all the time. Yeah. Who could place the stars in the heavens and call each and every one my name? He is so mighty. Who knows every single thought that's in your mind? No other hand, that's right. Yeah, because he's mighty. Who can move a mountain, split the sea into a make a rain or shine, turn the darkness into light? Only God Almighty. He'll take a nation down and raise it up again with one hand and have a party. He can, 'cause yeah, he's so mighty. He's better than a superhero, 'cause he ain't limited on power. He's stronger than the bravest warrior, makes even the darkest villains cower. Bang, bang, boom, pow, yo, check him out. There ain't nobody like him, 'cause he's so mighty. Oh, he is so mighty.
Hey, you're back! Thanks for watching to the end. I hope you'll subscribe. I do have more videos to come on my 11-day cruise on the Norwegian Prima, so hang on, they'll be coming soon. Thanks, bye.